Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deploy your VR project on the local network. So before you do that, first you need to test your scene. So you have to press play, walk around and make sure you have some interactive objects that you can pick up and throw away. Make sure the custom functionality you've designed is working. Also make sure that you optimize colliders. So for example, here in this building, I put the collider and now I cannot go through the wall. And at the very end, you should also make sure that your game is running smoothly. So open the stats window and make sure that your game performs well. Once you've done all this, let's go to console and let's make sure you don't have any major errors. And now your game is ready to be deployed. So let's go File, Build Settings. Make sure you have your scene chosen. So here, my scene is not here. So let's add scenes. And now you can see that on this list, the new scene appear, test scene. And this is the scene we have here. So let's disable that because we only want to build our scene. Make sure the WebGL is chosen, and now we just need to hit build. I would highly recommend you to create a new folder called Unity _ build, and you have to call it exactly like I did, which is Unity _ build. And then select the folder. And now Unity is going to compile your VR experience into the bunch of files, including the WebAssembly code that later on we're going to deploy on the local network. Okay, looks like the build is finished. And we can see that now inside the Unity folder, we have a bunch of files created by Unity with this build. And also, you can go to the console, and here you should have the information that build completed with a result of succeeded, which means everything went well, and now your code is ready to be put on the local network. So let's do that. Now let's open Visual Studio Code. And if you haven't downloaded the ICVR framework package, you can do it now. Just go to github.com/icvrhub/icvr_framework and then go to releases and download the source code zip folder. And then once you extract the content of that folder, you will end up with those 3 files. And for this video, we're going to use ICVR canister template. So now let's go back to Visual Studio Code. Let's hit open folder. Let's navigate to our source code. And let's choose ICVR canister template from here. And now we can see this is the content of the ICVR canister template. Here we need to open SRC, then assets, and then build. And now let's go back to our Unity build. And these are the 5 files from the Unity build that you will have to copy and paste into the build folder. So I'm going to do this now. I'm just highlight them all, and I'm just going to simply drag and drop it into the build folder. And just replace. Okay. And now let's open a new terminal. And we will now have to copy and paste a few commands. So let's go back to ICVR learning materials. And if you open and if you go to the chapter 4.2, deploy your VR project on the local network, and then if you scroll a little bit down to the step 13, here you will have the commands that you will have to copy and paste to the terminal. So let's do that. So first we have to verify that we have all the dependencies installed correctly. So let's copy and paste the command dfx version. And looks like we have DXF already installed on our system. Now let's put node version. That's okay. And now let's copy and paste the command dfx start clean background. And dfx is running. And now let's copy and paste the command npm run setup. And now let's wait. Now let's copy and paste another command to perform the build, which is npm run build. And now let's run the last command, npm run start. Let's type the password. It's nearly finished. Okay, so now we can go a little bit up, and here we can visit our experience on the local network. So let's go there, and we can see experience is loading. There we go. And this is now running in the browser in the local network. So let's see if everything works. I can pick up the hammer, I can leave it, and it works. I can play with the ball, and colliders are working. So yeah, that's all good. Okay, that's it. Thank you for your attention. Hopefully you enjoyed, and see you on the next video where we will set up a wallet in DXF, and then we're gonna go through the steps to deploy this experience on the live ICP network, and then it's gonna be globally available for everyone. So thank you for your attention, and see you in a bit.